Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If this is your first time here, today I'm going to be doing the soft lock trend that has been going around, and I really enjoy doing these braids. So here are the products that I use. I use 6 packs of the Nulocs. I got 3 18 inches, 3 14 inches, and I got this Lulu tress waterwave hair, and I like this texture because it's a little more coarse. And this is how I got the distressed look around the locks. So I got some edge control, a needle, and some shine jam, and of course the hair. And I think I added the receipt to show you guys how much I paid for everything total. But I did have to go back and get another pack of hair, and I'll tell you why. I did the back, and here's the shine jam. I like that shine jam better than the yellow one, to be honest. So I'm doing my parts, I'm not doing them neat at all. I'm just doing them like messy because I don't like the neat look when I get locks. I've gotten real locks at least 2 or 3 times before, you know, the soft lock trend came into play. And I really do like this one more than the, you know, the regular lock. So I just braided my hair up on both sides, and I kind of did the parts kind of messy. And I'm also just putting some oil on the ends of my head. And I did not do the top of my head this same day. I did the top the next day. So this particular day I did the back, and I went ahead and finished braiding the top, and I finished the locks, the actual locks, the next day. So in total, the process took 2 days because I don't have nothing to do.
Just like tequila, wanna show you why you don't really need her. Why you don't really need her. To be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime.
So here I'm going to be placing the hook through the braid and pulling the lock through, and then I'm taking the braid and placing it through the hole of the lock and pulling it. So I'm taking 1 piece of hair out of the Lulu tress and splitting it into 2, and then I'm going to start wrapping the hair. I did not take the hair through the braid again, I just started wrapping it on top of the braid and the lock. And none of your braids will be the same, and that's the thing that I love about, you know, the locks looking distressed. None of them will look the same. I really enjoy doing this, like I said, because I love a messy look when it comes to my locks. So I just kept wrapping all the way down, and then next I'm going to be attaching the 14-inch to the bottom to extend it. You know that, yeah, baby, yeah. So here's the 14-inch. So I'm going to be taking the hook and placing it through the original lock, taking it through the bottom half of the original lock, and then placing the lock I want to extend through that. Y'all see what I'm doing because I can't explain it. And then I'm going to take the bottom of that first lock and wrap it around the one that I pulled through. And I took the super glue to just ensure that it doesn't come apart. And I just wrapped the excess around towards the bottom of the lock. And then this right here is going to secure everything. So make sure you do this on every lock, and it's going to be secure, and that's it. So I'm gonna repeat the same process. And one tip that I have for you guys also is that I suggest you buy the same amount of length, because I bought 314s, 318s thinking that it would match up, but the 18-inch pack has less locks than the 14-inch pack. The 14-inch lock has more than the 18-inch, so it did not match up. I didn't want my locks really long because I just read a lot of reviews of people saying that it was a lot to maintain with it being 36 inches, but I don't think it would have mattered if I would have gotten all 18 inches. So that's what I recommend, because you're gonna have to end up buying another pack of the 18 inches.
Give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her. Why you don't really need her. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime. Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a dare the devil's brain this feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me. Is it love? Yeah, you and me. Yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me. Is it love?
So my tips for you guys is to, if you're doing your hair yourself, if you're paying somebody to do your hair, then this does not apply to you, okay? I got my sister-in-law to plait the back of my hair. Best decision I could have ever made, because I don't know if I could have done it. But when you have your hair already plaited, like say you want to do this style. If you want to do this style on yourself, I suggest you pan this style out for 2 days, because if you try to do this style all in one day, you're a bad woman if you could do this style in one day. But I just can't. But my sister-in-law plaited my back, I plaited the front. She did it one day, I did my top another day, because I ain't got nowhere to go, I ain't got nothing to do. And I used, in total, I bought 7 packs of hair, and I think I used 5 total, because I still have some 14 inches left, and I still have my 18 inches left. So yeah. Once you do the plaits, everything else is gonna go perfect. Like, it's gonna go by so quick, so fast, if you already have the plaits in your head. I really enjoy doing this hairstyle. I cannot lie. Like, I haven't enjoyed doing my hair in a long time, but this style, for some reason, I enjoy doing it. And I think I'll do it again, as long as I get somebody to plait my hair for me, which will probably be my sister-in-law. But if you can find somebody to plait your hair for you, you good. I think total, if you did this style in one day, you'll probably be doing your hair for like 6 hours. If you were to plait your own hair up, and that depends on your length, because my hair is probably like this long. Probably not even that long, probably like up here, because I always cut my hair. I don't want long hair. Like, I can't deal with it. In total, I have 20 braids in the back. I have 20 braids on this side, and I have 20 braids on this side. So I parted my hair into 3 sections. I had 1 section here, 1 section here, and my back. So my back, 20 plaits, 20 here, 20 here. So I have a total of like 60 braids in my head.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a